Flex like she bought my friend different from like a pretense. So many keeps certain boy at a distance. Like there is way up. You didn't too, me say. Sizzling. You understand, chef? Straight to the Gaza kitchen. You see? Yeah. When I say test out the page, pick up yourself. Wow. So bright. So bright. Friend, wherever be my friend, wherever be my friend. So what? Will never be my friend. 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 Someone, someone. That's why I'm not any man I trust. Someone, why some way killer for your round? Someone, but man, I need that boy when I fall asleep. Will never be my friend. 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 Sizzle. Right, stop. Chisel. I was supporting in the kitchen and simmer down to gravy. You know, it's that chef. You know, we eat around here, music and food, and keep cooking. You see me, I said, up and stunting. And chef, straight out of the Gaza kitchen. We take the time to perform our music and share to the people. Take right, I'm on it. I'm on the worry. Me want money, but me not go run it down. Me not go do nothing funny. And like someone they go, and like someone they go. As me have to work to make it start a song. One grow up in full basket. Me not go put me at when me can't reach it. The top up, me not refuse it. Me not go make get the best of me. Me have to go there and get what is for me. Me no sinners, ego. Me no sinners, everywhere you go, it's the same right. I'm on the worries. I'm on the everywhere you go, it's the same. I'm on the worries. I'm on the worries. Money is a legal agenda. People are rotting on the agenda. What for the money? No, me not go stop the fact. No, me not go sell my sword over. Even though no one excess and Range Rover. The money you feel of like a road over. No one money for me sons and me daughter. With a proper education for them future. So man make money, make them bring up the part. But right now, me I tell you from the start. Money can't change me, that is straight from the heart. Can't change me, that is straight from the heart. Everywhere you go, it's the same pride. I'm on the worries. I'm on the worries. Everywhere you go, it's the same pride. I'm on the worries. I'm on the worries. You told me I won't say. Money for me. 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 It's a manager sack the money quickly. Me tired of the money dirty tacky. And now me I don't know that the cause everybody I been slow down when me go sack on life. Oh, till you do about mine, I broke out them both. But remember, me have a big family. And only for friends them are the paper. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on new worries. I'm on new worries. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on new worries. I'm on new worries. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on new worries. I'm on new worries. Everywhere you go, it's the same cry. I'm on the worries. Yeah, when I know one thing or the other. Yeah, when it's not one thing is the other. Then say money worries, money problem. Up and forward, up and forward, up and forward. Okay, all right then. I'll Mr. Melosa check out the page and see what's going on around there. Yeah, my people, big up on yourself. Just be with me there. Be with me there. Me just test out the page as me say. Maybe I'll test out the light in the kitchen. You know, say this kitchen light, it will bright, you know. It will bright. But I guess the people them want to see me down. How that? How that? How is that? How about that? You can see me now? Yeah. We'll go on the selector. We'll go on up there. We'll go on there. Yeah, come like the light. Me call the sound all gone. Big up on yourself, people. Much love. Yeah, and this is the new page, and the page I'm want to follow me pan car. And this me I do the Sunday thing pan every time, you know. Yeah, me I switch over from the next page. Yeah, this is the page with the white chap. I mean, see man, Dan Chef. Not the page where you see me stand up beside of the vehicle. Not that one there. And the next page more to follow. And this one more to follow my people, yeah. So tell your friend, tell your friend, and your friend tell your friend. So over here, so Dan Chef there. Enough people with all I want to say, where the chef there? How am I not see him for much weeks? Yeah. Over here, so me there. Yeah, as Mr. Facebook kind of move away, so them want to come over here, so. So this one. Now, I'm work with it. No. Checking for sound, microphone, wagwan up. Checking for sound. What's going on? What are going on here, so man? How really go on? Like them going want me use a microphone. What's really not going on? Chill. And then one thing and the next thing, though. When it's not one thing, it's another thing. Yeah. Them say you get tested in everything you're doing. In everything you're doing in life, you have to get tested. No. Test your faith, test your skill, test your patience, test your anger, test everything, test your vocabulary, test everything. Everything in your life you get tested. No. You have to keep it up on yourself. And I guess this is my test. Test the patient. If you said never get angry and cross like the killer. No, me not get cross and angry, you know. Me just try sort it out. Yeah, me just sort it out. Because you know the chef is very patient. You know the chef is a very patient man. You know you have to have patience and love when you deal with food and music and all of them things. So me I say, big up on yourself, people. Up and forward. I hear somebody there now. I hear somebody there Sunday daytime now. It's not the other page as I said before. It's not the other page. It's this page me I work with them now. I need a set to you before over the months. Say yeah, me have a switch. Yeah. For the New Year's, I hear something there. Yeah, because Facebook, as I say Facebook, I tell me say, yo, that page that you've been using, it's a personal page and you cannot do certain thing on it. So they encourage me to sure. Come over here, so. Well, man. It does. All of a sudden, you just stop playing, man. Yo, microphone. Microphone, checking for Micah sound. Michael, where you dealing? What you dealing with, Michael? What you dealing with? Yeah, it sounds like Micah, no. Yes, Michael Manley. Yeah, up and stunting. Mike checking for sound. All the sound out there. Give me some thumbs up or some art or something. For me know say, when I hear me, loud and clear, crystal clear. Give me some art or some thumbs up. If you not hear me, crystal clear. Come on. Yeah. Up and forward. Show me some thumbs up. Or some heart, some signal. Come on, people. Interact with me, man. Chairman, don't make me feel like I'm here alone in the place. Yo, up. Come on, up. Some heart up. Wait till me say. But you don't understand what me talk say? English me talk, you know, I might be a Jamaican, but English me talk. Is when I say, show me some art or some thumbs up to see if you can hear me crystal clear. Up. I want to shy. Come on, man. Don't be shy. Don't be shy around here. Shy thing not gonna work, you know. It ain't gonna work, my people. It ain't gonna work. All right. Since you don't want to give me a signal, me need not itch, you know. Me need not itch for anything. Guess what? Go back in on the tune. So, if they want to make me sound. See? So, I'm talking about when it's not one thing, is the other thing. When it's not one thing, is the other. When I'm not one thing, or the other thing, guess what now? Like if they want to bring out the sound. So now tell them. Yes, so I'm talking about testing, 1, 3, test. Yo, the devil, you is a liar. Yes, I know that. You are the father of our lies. Yeah, you ain't going to stop the chef. You ain't going to stop in my progress. All right. Just bear with me, people. Just bear with me, because this machine is going away. So guess what? I'm going to reboot it. I'm going to just turn it off and turn it on back and see what's going on. What's really going on. All right. I don't know what is a deal, you know. Don't know what's really going on. All of a sudden, as the people come on, it a play up. All right. When we there in the darkness, it a play up. Eh? When I was in the dark, it was playing so good, and now me turn on the light. It's like it don't give me a fight. It don't love the light. It don't love the light, but we love the light. Don't. Can't tell the darkness, don't. We are scared of the dark. We are scared of the dark. Big up on yourself, my people. Big up on yourself. A dance chef straight out of the Gaza kitchen. You know, we do it around here. Music and food is what we keep cooking down. Yeah? Music and food is what we keep cooking. Yeah, big up on yourself. Big up to the Gaza nation. Every time, big up to the world boss. Free world boss. Free the boss. Free world boss. Freedom is a must. Big up the whole of England. Big up the whole of Ireland. Big up the whole of Scotland. Big up the whole of America. Big up the whole of Europe. Big up the whole of the Caribbean. Big up the whole of Jamaica. All of Jamaica from Negril Point and to Kingston. You see what I said? Up and forward. Up and forward. Up and stunting. Yeah. Up and stunting. I don't know where this thing are dealing now, but guess what? Let me try something else. Let me try something else. Can them say when one thing now work, you have to try another. Don't. It's like how this Sirata play up. Guess what I'm gonna do? Me I go just try bounce the tune them from this angle. Me I go just try bounce them from the different angle. So this is what I'm going around, you know. So let me see what I'm going around, so you know. Is it not real? What's going on, mate? You really come embarrass me like that, eh? Make me looking like some clown. Really? You really do that in laptop? You really doing that to me? Really? You really decide to say you're not a player? No. Yo, me have to laugh, me have to laugh, me have to laugh, me have to laugh. I have to laugh. Because I can't cry. I'm not going to cry. Because there's little technical difficulties arose at the psychological moment in time. I ain't crying. Them say the devil strong, you know. It look like a me, the devil want to take set pan, you know. Me don't know. They don't want to give me a sound. But that not gonna make me stop from doing thing with thing. That ain't stopping us. That ain't stopping us. What going on? What really going on? What really going on? What really going on? Giano Star. The laptop will play up itself, people. It will play up itself. So guess what? I turn it off again, as we said, and reboot everything. I'm a machine, you know. So let me stay more time. I'm coming like some people who just let you down. You can't put your faith in them. You can't put your trust in them, though. No. Them fail, but God never fail, no. That's why we trust God. People and things will fail, but God never fail. God never fail me yet. Not at all, not at all, not at all. So guess what? We see what's going on with this thing again. This is what I'm going to deal with again. So if it decide fake, keep on doing the same.
You know it's not true. And I got to cheer about. We love the murder with a passion.
See that? Or something different.
I tell you, give me choice.
Yeah. Neutral. True. Take time. Bubble up. In a scripts and in a time up. Can I bubble up? Bubble up. Soup in a pot can blood that wild up. Them a bubble up. Like a go, wind up. Man, not stand up. Shots, no stop right up. Man, want to deal with this something bad. Beat it up like a punching bag. The cat and son of a could never be a fat. And a horse me a horse and a crap me a crap. But every day, I different than man a shot. I saw me see if I was a little lad. Bubble up. In a scripts and in a time up. And I bubble up. Microphone gone. Now wind up. Like a time them a wind up. Let me back firm up. Man I drink Pepsi, now 7 up. Y'all say she glad when her ex time up. 3 months and years you want give me the work. A man live a dove cutting can't rise up. It have to take a miracle when she back it up. Whisper on me ear say me sweet like ketchup. Y'all body clean and look it's dirty. Bubble up. In a scripts and in a time up. Can I bubble up? All my God. Like a car, them a wind up, bubble up. Soup in a pot, that blood, that wind up, can I bubble up. Them not all, them a wind up. Everywhere me go, the girl, them attract me. Money to the bank, so them want lock me. In a house, them want to arrest me. Girl, I say she want give me 9 baby. On the iPhone, girl, I Snapchat me. Full on obsession, girl, I start me. Each up on me door like black and key. Say she want to drive out in the Bentley. Bubble up. In a scripts and in a time up. Can I bubble up? Like a toy, them a wind up. Bubble up. Soup in a pot, that blood, that wind up. Can I bubble up? Bubble up. Soup in a pot, that blood, that wind up. Bubble up. Like a go, wind up. Bubble up. All the microphone down to. Bubble up. Soup in a pot, y'all blood that boil up. Bubble up. Like a go, them a wind up. Y'all have man a steer, have man a stand up. Shots, it's not stop right up. Man want to deal with something bad. Beat it up like a punching bag. The girl, them son of a could never be a fag. And a boss, me a boss, and a brag, me a brag. And the girl, them say, no, with a passion, it can never, will never, ever go Russian. Straight. Woman we love. We no love man. Yeah. Love the woman them and respect the man them. Big up on yourself. You see, and the chef straight out of the Gaza kitchen. That's how we read. Yeah, but guess what? The Sirata play up itself. The microphone play up itself. So I guess I play a cappella me have to go, no? I need a cappella. What them say? A cappella? Alright, I'm run the next new track here. Yeah, new thing when I work on it. Them soon come around, people.
Get them buried. And get us fight. Go to the hospital.
Laugh at them. Sizzle. Boom, clap, eagle as me. Boy, I run around, listen like Bonati. Jump and skip like in my gymnastic. He in a head, no bird, I go pitch. To the arena, them get a free kick. Never know they shake a bus banana kick. Tell them long time, been up in a long talk. Food obviously is till when this days up. I from this, I from this. When we are shooting, I shoot and miss. Every day we do rings, start the practice. Boy, skin and make this like plastic. I from this, I from this. When we are shooting, I shoot and miss. Every day we do rings, start the practice. Boy, skin and make this like plastic. Power for free, I'm wiring, I'm free, I'm take it sad.
With the big guns, that from long time, they know that now.
Take it sad.
step on the road, but then they give them gunshot and leave them in a hardwood box. You believe me, the Lord knows that others evil. The Lord knows
We are evil.
now.
But sometimes we have to do something with it. People things
Could be big to the pain
and the suffering.
when I'm up in the cold of the soft.
Boom, that eagle a spit. Why when I'm on me say like lunatic? Jump and skip like him a gymnastic. He ain't head no bird about it. To the carina, them get a free chip. Never know the chef a bus banana clip. Tell me down a time we not in a long time. Food obviously this big thing when this place up. I from this, so can't hide from this. When we are shooting or shoot and miss. Everything we do range and we practice. Boy skin and men, me say like plastic. I from this, so can't hide from this. When we are shooting or shoot and miss. Everything we do range and we practice. Boy skin and men, me say like plastic. Why I'm hard like a baby. Tap out and never meal to this me. To make me look it up whole and so humble. 14 set I mean they can't tackle. Equal rights, me say boy start to stumble. I remember when my father told me, bust you one, bust pay for your enemy. Them see you one big come back and kill me. I from this, so I from this. When we are shooting or shoot and miss. Every day we do break, start the practice. Boy skin I make me say like plastic. I from this, so I from this. When we are shooting or shoot and miss. Every day we do break, start the practice. Boy skin I make me say like plastic. Sizzle. Don't get the chef dark, you know. You see it? I told them, you know. Don't get the chef too dark. We don't like to be dark, you know. We like to in the light. But we just show versatility, you know. Yeah, because every day them hear the chef talk about girls, and this and that and that and that. We can't talk about anything. We write tune for everything. Yeah. We're full of title. Yeah. See it? Yeah, man, that's already it. We say multi-talent and skillful, you know. And we say music and food, no. Yeah. Up and stunting. Big up on the certain people. Much love for the time and the effort to take a look what I want at the Gaza kitchen. You see? Yeah, when you may be wondering, where was I? I ain't been anywhere. It's just that Facebook trying to, you know, for me to use this other page, right? So the first page, them say a personal page, so me can't do what me have do on that page anymore. So they said I have to use this page from now on to do my live show. So I have some of their people each and every Sunday. You see it. So tell a friend for tell a friend. And remember, like my page. Yeah, Dan Chef. Yeah. That same one where you're upon with that white cap. I mean, same one with another chef. Not the one where you see me stand up beside the vehicle. Another one. Me not use that one no more. You see what I say? Up and stunting. All right, the people. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to see if I can get back the Sirata. Yeah. Or if not, me just continue. Because I said the Sirata play up. Microphone play up. What's it? Microphone a chip in and a chip out. Chip in, chip out. Chip in, chip out. Chip. All right. Chip in, chip out. Chip in, chip out. It's like if I make a lyrics off like chip in, chip out. Chip in, chip out. Chip in, chip out. Microphone a chip in, a chip out. Chip in. How I go on? What's going on in the Gaza kitchen? You know, with Dan Chef, music and food is what we keep cooking. Of the people that are looking, of them booking for the menu. Yeah, up and starting. Yeah. All right, it sounds like it do me a favor. It's sounding like it doing me a favor. Like it's not going to chip out anymore. So let me see. Let me see what it's dealing. Let me see what it's dealing with. Let me see what it's dealing with. All right, this is right now come up, you know, so guess what? You know, I do. That's how we can run the tune from half of this. Let me see if we can run the through them from half of this, run a few tune off of that one there. Let me see if we can run a few off of this. Emma Spy! You see, microphone gone already. Them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I can't avoid, I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I can't be high, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I can't avoid, I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me, the girl them a trap me. I can't be high, I saw them a watch me. Them a watch me night and day. Them a watch me do and listen to everything they say. Like a purse, I saw them want snatch me. Money to the bank, I saw them want knock me. Food in the pot, I saw them want knock me. To be a the chef, no for them want own me. Galima, trap me, the girl them a trap me. I saw them a trap me. Galima trap me, the girl them a trap me. I saw them a watch me. Galima trap me, the girl them a trap me. I saw them a trap me. Galima trap me, the girl them a trap me. I saw them a watch me like a paparazzi. And I said that me a celebrity. And I said me can a celebrity. I food me a watching at the community. So tell me that them come watch me. Here we get come watch me on the stage. Come watch me in the soda. Come watch me. Them a trap me. They can them a trap me. I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me. They can them a trap me. I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me. They can them a trap me. I can't avoid. I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me. They can them a trap me. I can't be high. I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me, cause them not trust me. Them a say that me too girly. But if the girl want a piece of the action, me have to give them the satisfaction. But they don't have money if they trap me. Cause they don't know how me gonna get them. Me say boy no run. Them a trap me. I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me. Them a trap me. I can't be high. I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me. Them a trap me. I can't avoid. I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me. Them a trap me. I saw them a watch me. Them a watch me night and day. Them a watch them me do. I listen to everything they say. Like a purse, I saw them want snatch me. Money in a bank, I saw them want knock me. Food in a pot, I saw them want knock me. To me at the chef, no for them want own me. Them a trap me, they tell them a trap me. I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me, they tell them a trap me. I get the eye, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me, they tell them a trap me. I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me, they tell them a trap me. I get the eye, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me, they tell them a trap me. I saw them a trap me. Them a trap me, they tell them a trap me. I get the eye, I saw them a watch me. Them a trap me, they tell them a trap me. I saw them a trap me. Different attitude. Different attitude. Different. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's like it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. If I have a team, know everything change. No me a go to know this what up and them turn up, this what up and them turn up, this what up and them. No they will have them want come be my friend too. Every day me step out fresh and clean. Take care of my personality. I be a girl of lucky when me touch the scene. I'm living my life and it's not my dream. It's what up, it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's like it's all it takes. It's all it takes. It's all it takes. Once the bus stop, me used to stand up. No more car can splash me up. No money. It's not an object, come a lifestyle change, everything opposite. Everywhere me go, people are call up me. It's because of the money and because of the fame. Love of them would like me go back to nothing but a truth, them I know say. It's all it takes, it's all it takes, it's all it takes. It's what it's all it takes, it's all it takes. It's all I'm a show me a theater say, for me to know this one, no for them chat there. They don't remember where me I come from. When I eat this I try bread and go to bed. But you God bless, and me say no man curse. Talk me Lord, I'm not the verse. Haters I say them trap and they make me curse. So you hear me? It's all it, it's all it. It's all it, it's all God, it's all it, it's all it, it's all it. I know everything change. This what happened, this what happened. One gon' be my friend. Every day me step out fresh and clean. Take care of my personal hygiene. I be a girl of me when they touch the street. I'm living my life and it's not my dream. It's what it's all insane. It's all insane. It's all insane. It's what it's all it, 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 it's all insane, it's all insane. It's all insane. Sizzle. The rain stop jizzle. It's just the pot in the kitchen simmering down to gravy. You know, it ain't acting shady. Big up all of the people on the thing. Big up on yourself, my people. Much love and appreciation for the time and the effort to take a look what's going on in the Gaza kitchen, yeah? You see me, I say, you know, dance chef do it around here. Music and food, no? Yeah. Music and food to put you in the mood, whatever the mood is. You see? Whatever the mood is. Music and food put you in that mood. Yeah, you must know what your mood is. Up and gunning. Up and gunning, up and gunning. Big up on yourself again, people. Yeah. Microphone, I play up on me. Sirata, play up on me. So I just have to run them straight. Off of the laptop just like that, so just bear with me as I punch them through one by one. You don't know what Dan Shepherd deal with until the time of to promote his music and share it to the people. You see me, I say, so big up on yourself, people, much love again and again. And remember, all the music I want to hear me play, you can find them on every leading platform. Yeah, Spotify, iTunes, all of them platform there. So support the thing, support the movement. Yeah, if you are my true fans, just go on the platform them and download the tune them. You see me, I say, yeah, up and going. It's just 99p for a single. Yeah, 99p for a single and $9.99 for the full album. Yeah, the album called Swagger. Yeah. Up and stunting. Yeah, Ghetto Street production. You see what I say? Up and going. Big up on yourself, people. Much love. Yeah, man, let me get back to the thing. Let me get back to my ladies, them. Yeah, because me say we love the woman, them with a passion. It will never go ration. And we say, love up the woman, them, and respect the man, them. So, let me get back to that thing. That thing named Boss Man. Yeah, because I talk to the woman, them might tell me some things, you know. They might tell me some things. Somebody just put it in a tune. Yeah, and that. And this. And this. What you doing? What you doing? Yes. Yeah, man. Flip over them. Think all, boss, man. The woman them say they don't want to eat that, man, dog. Yeah? Girl, you know I'm foolish. What you gonna want to do? Girl, you know I'm. Girl, you know I'm. Girl, you know I'm. What you gonna want to do? Girl, you know I'm. Eat that man, then girl, you know I'm. Girl, you know I'm. What you gonna want to do? Pass man. You know what I'm gonna treat them right. Get them to places that them like. We love to treat the bird and extra nice. Show them what a real man is like. Treat the bird them like they are the first time. Keep it in our shoot the first time. Every passion like so we put on the ring to show up the new life. Girl, you know what? Girl, you know what? Girl, you know what? What you gonna want to do? Girl, you know what? Girl, you know what? Girl, you know what? What you gonna want to do? You want a man for massage, they are going. You want a man for massage, and all body down. The girl them want stability. Yes, them want security. The girl them want my girl, she get enough attention to take a boy, girl. Tell it now, give them girl. Girl, you know wanna eat that man. Girl, you know wanna burn this man. Girl, you know wanna foolish man. What you gonna want to do with us, man? Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. What you gonna want to do with us, man? You better take your ring. If not, you are going to use the girl. And the next man, can you never spend no time with her? And the next man, I go have the fun time. And the next man, I go on the fun time. So you get fixed. You use up to violence. Just go to protect and see the content. Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. What you gonna want to do? Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. What you gonna want to do? Us, man. You know what I'm gonna treat them right. Get them to places that them like. You know to treat the bird and extra nice. Show them what a real man is like. They are the first prize. You keep it in our sheet the first time. Now the bedroom. So put on the ring to show off the new life. Girl, you know wanna eat that man. Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. What you gonna want to do? Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. What you gonna want to do? Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. What you gonna want to do? Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. Girl, you know wanna. What you gonna want to do? Believe that man, word this man, foolish man. And I mean to say no. And the ladies them say that they don't want no idiot man. So if you're an idiot man, you better change your folly ground. Yeah. Up and gunning, big up the ladies them, big up all my ladies, all my dainty babies. You know the chef loving with a passion. Yeah. It will never go Russian, up and stunting. And we say, love the woman them and respect the man them. You see me I say, every time, love up the woman them and respect the man them. Big up all of the man them for the thing, same way, set speed. Yeah, no indicted feelings. You see me I say, up and gunning, you respect up the same way. Up. Big up the Gaza nation every time, up and stunting, cause you don't know say what. And you know the Gaza kitchen with there, you know. You know the Gaza kitchen with there. You see what I say? So we can't leave out the world, boss. Freedom is a must. No matter how them fuss and go. Yeah, up and stunting. Big up yourself, Sean Storm. Big up Ninja Man, big up Buju Bantam, big up Beanie Man, big up Bounty Killer, Sex Speed. You see me I say, up and forward, big up Mavada. And all of the young artists and all of the veteran artists, and big up on yourself. Yeah, our music we say, one love, up and stunting. Yeah, up and stunting. Anyway, let me get back to the thing that I've been doing. What time is it? It's right time, and every man wants a wine. It's right time, look how my girls are looking fine. It's right time, it's right time. No man want to touch, no man want to walk. No one can in a bed and give them a drink. But when you saw it, tell them if you check out all of them, I will give you a standing look, but don't touch. You be them a girl who post tenacious and lush. And so bootylicious, they will put you in a spot that is presumptuous. Every time you see them, so they tell you to touch. Man, you say, push car, joke and bad. No say, take a one next for the girl, them back up. Man, I propose them people, man, I offer them, your house is on. It's right time, look how the girls are looking fine. It's right time, and every man wants a wine. It's right, feel like I get chocolate. The rest of the food, I got the curry. The rest of the food, I mean, I'm a basket. The rest of the food, I mean, I'm a pocket. The unlike man, I look so funny, and I wish that you receive the benefit. No, the way that I got an exclusive. Never know no one in the pocket. You know, so man, come here, it's right time, it's right time, it's right time, it's right time. Look how the girls are looking fine. It's right time, and every man wants a wine. It's right time, look how the girls are looking fine. It's right time, and every man wants a wine. It's right time, it's right time, it's right time, it's right time, it's right time. Look how my girls are looking fine. It's right time, and every man wants a wine. It's right time, it's right time, it's right time, it's right time. Look how my girls are looking fine. Look how my girls are and give a bit. What is all in the day? I don't know. I give you a can you look what I'm touching. And so bootylicious, let me put you in a spot that is presumptuous. Every time you see them, sizzle. Every time you see the girl, they're tempted to touch. You see, they're tempted to touch, but guess what? Look, but don't touch. Because what? They have a thing named lawsuit. Then can file a lawsuit against you, you know. If you say people, woman, girl, pick me on the road and you go touch them. Look, but don't touch. Sexual harassment. Them can't charge you for sexual harassment. So don't touch people, girl, picking it unless you get permission. You see me I say? Yeah. Unless you get permission. If you don't get permission, look and wish and all type of thing where you want to do in your head, but don't touch. You see me I say? Who long and take we don't join? Who long and take that is you don't know what I talk about. We didn't even have to mention it. You see me I say? Big up on yourself people, much love again and again. From the time and the effort. You see me I say? For the time and the effort to take a look what going on in the Gaza kitchen. All right. Let me jump out of that and go into some. Let me go into some social commentary. I say walk and talk and live in love. For where there is love, wisdom, health, prosperity. It's me I said. Every day, no matter what the scribes and Pharisees say, I know for them who want to see the youth them go astray. Jah love in my heart and lead me the right way. That's why me exhort him morning, night and day. According to your word, they say black bring away. According to your word, say you got to get paid and love me I deal with. I know we put on the guns, put on the knife and seize the violence. Don't get caught up in a the devil conference. You better have a loving heart and a clean conscience. To be said that more love, not take me for no defense. Some people fool and ignorant, they have no patience. Loving at them heart, they not show no reverence. This is the style, but get the message from the argument. I'm more love man, not deal with. No matter what they I know for them. Just loving at me heart. That's why me exalt him morning, noon, night and day. Me say they got to fade away. That is how you get paid. All the way. Love man and deal with devil women. The loving at me heart show me inspiration. And the same love brought me salvation. That the story upon each and every man got enough. Now they fruit is in the manifestation. They get caught up in a frustration. Makes him not ear say that they turn a good man. Makes him not ear say. Makes him your ear say. But we not give in to the devil manipulation of a judge and children. Tell him to take his hands and more love man not deal with. No matter what they say. I know for them who want to see the youth them go astray. They're loving on me heart and lead me right way. That's why me exalt him morning, noon, night and day. According to your word, that is how you get paid. And love me a deal with all the way. War and violence, we don't conspire. Peace and love, that is my heart desire. I can be articulate, so much speculate. I love to show people love and not. This is not no question, this is not no debate. Fire and corruption, I mean that burn that street. The keepers and poverty, the country, eliminate discrimination of race, man, we can't tolerate a more. Every day, policy say, see the youth them go astray. I lead me the right way. See morning, noon, night and day. That is how you get paid. On the way, put on the knife and seize the violence. Don't get caught up in a big devil stand. You better have a loving heart and a conscience. So me say that hold up, not take it. Some people full of ignorant, they have no patience. They have no love in their heart, they not show no reverence. It's me say more love. Love we are dealing with every day. Yeah. More love we need in time like these. It's me say, so show love, spread the love. Let your New Year's resolution be love. Love yourself first. You see me I say? And show love to others. You see me I say? Love yourself first and then you extend the love unto your kids and to your mom and your dad and your parents and your lover or your friend or whosoever. But spread the love. If this world full of love and people show love, there will be a better place. Yeah. There will be a better place if love does not kill the place. Yeah. Don't not kill the place with no evil and no violence and no crime and all of those things. Not kill the place with love. You see what I said? Big up on the people, much love again and again and again. For the time and the effort, if you take a look what going on in the Gaza kitchen, you don't know how Dan Chef do it around here. Music and food is what we keep cooking. You see what I said? Each and every Sunday, Dan Chef take the time out to perform his music and share it to the people. And remember, people, we can find all of these tunes on our leading platform. You see what I said? Spotify, iTunes, Amazon, and all of them things there. Up and running. Remember, go out and support the thing. Go out, support the chef, support the chef. You see what I say? Yeah, bless upon yourself. Thank you in advance. You see, up, movement, up, movement, up, movement, up, movement. Yeah, that was a thing called more love we are deal with. More love we are deal with. Is it? More love we are deal with. And because of more love we are deal with, guess what? Aja we give praise, you know. Aja we give praise and God we fear. No, another one there. Another one there. No, another one there yet. Take it from the top again. Another one there. It's not that one yet. Give it again. Give it again. As me said, the people, the Sirata, I play up itself for me. The microphone, I play up itself for me. And even the laptop, I want like it want to play up to. Everything I play up today. But guess what? We're not start doing what we're doing.
Who can be against us? God is on my side.
How can it be denied?
Yes, I got me fear.
God, I know me fear. I got me fear. God, I know me fear. I got me fear. God, I know me fear. Who don't like the daughter? You are the kings of kings. You are the lords of lords. You are the conquering lion and the watches of my rod. I for one I make a beginning and the end. I refuse my porches when never any pain. Be the king on earth and walk among men. No, for 33 years without no translation. When they walk up on the land and the nation, it is that open the motors of destination. The blessing of Holy Spirit, because them never rebel. Let them know them are the kingdom of heaven. They that mourn me say I'm discouraged. Let them know they shall be comforted, the blessed. All of them meet them shall inherit the earth. Let them know what life is really worth. Don't stand it get hard, stand it get hard. Hold on, get the hand, get on the board. I got the fear, I love me fear. Who don't let me down? Get out of here. I got the fear, I love me fear. Who don't let me down? Get out of here. Right in my blessing on his words. He made the heaven and he made the earth. He made it create. He made me neatly. He never make a mistake. He put me and me must be more everything in a place. He put food in a me plate. And put in me have to sing this phrase. Give him the glory, the honor and the praise. No other man is like him and to be. Only he could have got the Red Sea. The children of Israel free. Here I'm them a throne in a field. Me no fret, I me say me no worry. When the wicked men them start praying me, I check out me back and angel a guide me. Touch me but they won't touch me soul. I got me fear, that I love me fear. I got me fear, that I love me fear. Who don't like jam get out of fear. I got me fear, that I love me fear. Check out me like wonderful control, just like images of old. Lion then a zombie a roll. With a sling and a stone. Attack it jawbone. He's my light and my salvation. Breath of life and his word I stand. But others are dwelling a sinking sun. When the wicked come to eat my flesh and stumble and fall, and me go scare them and bring me back against the wall. Even though I am not worthy of his grace, things he done for me is so amazing. He's my hope, pardon, he's my constant spring. He might the breath that keep me, lungs them pumping. He might the everlasting water making from the spring. So not time in a life, me no fear, not a thing. I got no fear, that I love me fear. I got no fear, that I love me fear. Who don't let me can get out of here. I got no fear, that I love me fear. I got no fear, that I love me fear. I got no fear, that I love me fear. Who don't let me can get out of here. I got no fear, that I love me. Sister, God alone we fear, in God we trust. You see me I say, in everything we do, we have to put God in it. You see me I say, because without God, nothing ain't gonna work. You see me I say, we have to seek God and put God in everything we do. Yeah, and when we smoke weed, we have to bless the weed. You see me I say, yeah, put God in it. Up and stunting, big up and listen to people, much love for the time. You see me I say, up, and away we go. Up and forward, up and forward. Up and forward. Alright, guess what I'm gonna do now, my people? I'm gonna run two more of the tune, you know. I'm gonna run two more tunes for the album, yeah. And guess what? I'm gonna jump on the next new album with our road, the mix album. Alright, let me do this, let me play this one thing called Tomorrow. Yeah. I mean, I say nobody know the future. My scientist, you're not a fortune teller. They just a presume and I make assumption. Sister! So I know tomorrow bring, tomorrow oh. They know about the past, living the present, but they don't know what tomorrow bring, tomorrow tomorrow bring. Every day me get up and pray. Little Father got to see another day and guide me a long life live. While the sun shine me up to me and get what is rightfully mine. Cause no one can stop the hands of time. Follow your dreams and aspiration. Do it right now, no way to know. Nobody knows tomorrow. Tomorrow, tomorrow, nobody knows. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Tomorrow no promise to any man. So make use of life the best way you can. Live it the way you want to live it. Life is a journey, it's full of mystery. Today you see me, next time you don't. Life is so precious, don't flaunt it about. While there is life, there will always be hope. So people give up and set them on home. Nobody knows tomorrow bring what tomorrow bring what tomorrow oh. Nobody knows tomorrow bring what tomorrow bring what tomorrow oh. Financially you're satisfied. That don't mean say that you're better than no man. Remember that we all are human. So give an every hand me so wise you can. No push your brother down in a no quicksand. Divided we fall, united we stand. We don't know when we shall depart this land and move on to the other one. Nobody knows tomorrow bring. Tomorrow bring what tomorrow oh. Nobody knows tomorrow bring. Tomorrow oh. Nobody knows. No one knows what tomorrow brings. No one knows what tomorrow holds. So guess what? Just show some love. Show some love, and love will return back to you. You see me I say? Show goodness. Goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. You see me I say? Big up on the people. Yeah. No one knows the future. No one knows. It's if mankind know what will go on tomorrow. Yeah. Them do all the wrongs today. And tomorrow them try to straighten themselves. You see me I say? And because we don't know, guess what? Just live the best way you can. And don't forget God. Live the best way you can and don't forget the Most High who creates heaven and earth. I mean, a business where you want to call him, whether you want to call him Jesus, Selassie, whatever you want to call him, Allah, I want God, but you know, there are so many different names. You see me I said? So big up on yourself, the people, up and stunting. Yeah, let me run the one more after the album and ting. As I said before, I will run a few more of this one, and then I get into the other one. Let me get into the other one. All right. You see, you may run it and say take more time, and you say if the Sirata never play up itself, we could have just easily, you know, but you may have to play it after this. It kind of take a bit more time to proceed.
You don't know the life that we live. Them don't know the pressure we hear. Them really don't know I'm not.
Jizzle. I know somebody in the kitchen is simmer. Them don't know the life that we live. Them really don't know the life that we live. Them don't know the pressure we bear. Them really don't know I didn't know we care. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know how they really don't care. Enough of them don't reach nowhere, and some of them don't want to get my share. We work so hard every day and night just to take care of the kids and wife. Enough of them don't want to drop off a share, or they don't want me to bust through the gate. Then we go forward while you visit a back. Drop in a hurry, I saw them snap. The more they like to see you come back them every time. For them give you puppies and a dirty mind. But all of the puppies are thanks to God. I chat at me, but them not go see me far. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure they bear. They really don't know. They don't really care. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know. They don't really care. Living at the ghetto, we growing at the ghetto. Ghetto superstar, that is who we are. Granny it said, me never reach far. I never broke a shop, I never break a bar. Negative people, them me apart. If you optimistic, they shine like a star. No touch a book by the cover. First of all, they got to read two chapter. So you know my personality and character. So don't take me far, no push over. No don't take me far. No big fence, you know what my friend them, I like the fence. They don't know the life that we live, they really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure we bear, they really don't know, but they don't really care. They don't know the life that we live, they really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure we bear, they really don't know how they don't really care. You get the trick? Listen to the statement. Read get a tool. We go see the evidence. Check the profile. Multi-talent and skillful. They never know me when we never have a belly full. Through them bad mind and unscrupulous. In a Sunday when we can't have a trust. We never know mankind so evilous. We know say time is so perilous. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. And they don't know the pressure we bear. They really don't know. And they don't really care. They don't know, they don't know. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure they bear. They really don't know. And they don't really care. They don't know the life that we live. They really don't know the life that we live. They don't know the pressure they bear. They really don't know. And they don't really care. They don't know the struggle that we bear. Yeah, to them, see we smile on our face all the while. And we look so joyful and bliss. Yeah. More time you don't even know the pain and the struggling we go through. But we not fair walk around with the face hang down and we not fair make the world know. We just make the most I know. You see it, and then just take care of matter. You see it. Sometimes when you go through things, you don't need to tell no one. Just go on your knee and pray. You see me I say, pray to the Most High. Yeah, because sometimes you go through something and you mention it to some of your so-called associates or your so-called friends, and then take it and pass it on, spread it around. And when you don't want no other person to know, you think you can confide in them and, them start broadcast the thing. And you don't want it to be broadcasted. You see what I say? So, as I say, people, sometimes you go through struggle, just pray. Pray. A prayer a day keep the devil away. You see what I say? Up and running. Yeah, you don't know how to dance chef. You don't know it's the chef, multi-talented, skillful, certified chef, and artist. You see what I say? Big up on yourself. Much love, my people. I love you. Yeah, love you for the time and the effort. Bless you for the time and the efforts. You see what I say? If you take a look what going on at the Gaza kitchen, yeah, you don't know what we eat around here, music and food, what we keep cooking. All right, my people, all right. Let me try something again. Let me try one more something again and see if this Sirota gonna let me feature. Alright, before I try the Sirota again, let me run that tune here. It's a new single. A new single. DJ Grace Farah Cutting Production.
Don't find them shit.
And Chef Records in a Soul Station.
And if everybody is right, you know what coming.
They know what coming next.
You know what coming.
How vex?
How vex?
Carry on, girl, I say carry on. Oh, you flex me, say me love what you want. Carry on, girl, I say carry on. Love what you compose and keep it calm. Carry on, girl, I say carry on. Love what you flex me, say me love what you want. Carry on, girl, carry on. Love what you compose and keep it calm. Woman, you know me reach up. So me and me meet up. I wait for friends and meet up. You know say that they meet up. You know give a tassa. Who are it up on you? Man, you kids, you know them love you. And Father, can him at your back for you. So when I say, to when I'm done, I get my go. That's your puncher. Loving on your heart, I keep you on track. Jealous and envy, you not breather. Then I quad the yard, go suit down and quad. Give me the food, me say, out and the bad. In the backside class, we say, and ethics. Over you, then you got no leverage. I can't find you, I know who you are teach. A full-time know them get the message. You're full of wisdom, experience, knowledge. Carry on, girl, I say carry on. The way you feel, say you want, you want. Carry on, girl, I say carry on. The way you compose and keep it calm. Carry on, girl, I say carry on. The way you play, say me love what you want. Carry on, girl, carry on. The way you compose and keep it calm. Do your thing, girl, and do your thing. Do your thing and keep them talking. Do your thing, girl, do your thing. Do your thing, I'ma stop you the king. No, not dead, not feet, no, not dead, not close, no, not dead, not fear. Red, me too. So all the elegant, the exalt and you. Them who stop your thing, but they don't got a clue. Father, God, you provide for you. If that is for you, who can be against you? None of them are pretend like them with you. As your back in turn, them must stop slander you. I ain't gonna them a dash out for you. You first for them with a turn back blue. Jackie, if he send them chat over you. Them in a tough love, no them run out of love. Carry on, girl, we say carry on. Look what your face is, me look how you want. Carry on, girl, we say carry on. Look how you compose and keep it calm. Carry on, girl, we say carry on. Look what your face is, me look how you want. Carry on, girl, carry on. Look how you compose and keep it calm. Carry on, girl, we say carry on. Look how your face is, me look how you want. Carry on, girl, we say carry on. Look how you compose and keep it calm. Carry on, girl, we say carry on. Look how your face is, me look how you want. Carry on, girl, carry on. Look how you compose and keep it calm. Sizzle, yeah. Sizzle, raise up, jizzle, carry on. No, make them stop you, you know. Don't make them stop you from doing a thing. As me say, carry on, doing a thing, whatever you're doing. You see me, I say, some people, them just want to see you do something, you know, or try do something, or doing something that is good and worthwhile, you know. And them try to pull you down, them try to stop you, them try to discourage you. You see me, I say, but don't let them discourage you, don't let them stop you from doing a thing. Do your thing and keep them talking. Yeah, cause more crossways, so people have a talk. If you not do nothing, people talk. If you do something, people talk. If you sit down, people chat. So guess what? Give them something to talk. Just keep on doing what you're doing. Keep on doing your thing and keep the haters them talking. Yeah. Up and forward, up and forward, up and forward. Up and forward. Okay, look. All right, let me try this. Let me try about that. Let me try about the Sirota here, see if it will give it any justice. Let me try about the Sirota here. See if it will give me any justice. If we can spin the final set of tune. Yeah. As I said, my people, that was my new single thing called Carry On. It's out on every leading platform. Every leading platform. Dan Chef. You see me, I say, Carry On. Go on Spotify, you can get it. You go on iTunes, you can get it. You go on Amazon, you can get it. Support the movement. It's only 99p for the single. Yeah, up and gunning people, up and stunting, up and stunting, up and stunting, up and stunting, up and stunting. Yeah, guess what? It looked like it gonna work, you know. So me say if it really gonna work, try about the Sirata. So me say if it really gonna work, you know. Alright, this is the Raspberry Rhythm. Damn Chef Production, various artists on this album. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry if you magada, turn round by you. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry if you magada, turn round by you. Oh, them stay so man, oh, them stay so man, oh, them wicked and stay so man. They must say and try, they could be no man. Me have the one that if them a play the gun. You give them a hand, they want to take your food. You face of a say, oh, there is nothing but a clue. Give them the last them what I tell you about the parts and a person young. Oh, what is false? And so we know them fear, we know them not real. Listen argument and watch them motive. No fear about this, appreciate it. We're going to provide that is not inviting. I learn good of life, the one like it. They want me to give them everything, everything. When oh my God, they want me mash up like any other. Ungrateful people, wicked and evil. Sorry if you matter, don't go by you. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry if you matter, don't go by you. People do anything to get where they want, even when I things that they don't. To the heart full of bad mind and greed, they want to read the track of another. Do you really expect things to be like that? Do you really expect things to be like that? I seem to make the greedy that good in food. We want everything to own. No matter what they get, they complain and own. You can't please people, please yourself. Please yourself and make your head. Don't make them treat you like doctor. They not even go street and dead, but don't feel safe and comfortable and warm. Don't trust them, them want to take my own. You know the crazy song. Ungrateful people, sorry if you turn round like you. Ungrateful people, wicked and evil. Sorry if you some people, them that is sure, they keep the gate locked, keep one secure, and not anyone. Welcome to the room. They see how we are from them, they avoid them before they put me in a mix up and blend. If a confrontation, I will let out the dogs and them. Get rid of them without a trace, them a liar and thief, them so envious. You have people like them and bring disgrace, them is like matter, them just a take up space. And people in the same class, some of them black eyed and some of them brown eyed, some of them green eyed and some of them blue eyed. Deep down, they all of them red eyed. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my turn round like you. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my don't know like you. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my don't know like you. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my don't know like you. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my don't know like you. Ungrateful people, too wicked and evil. Sorry for my don't know like you. Alright, Paula, come talk to them, Paula. Come talk to them, my brother, Paula. Straight out of JK. Paula G. We da puff, we da puff, we da puff that. We da puff, we da puff, we da puff that. Cheese a puff, cheese a puff that. We da puff, we da puff, we da puff that. Cheese a puff, cheese a puff, cheese a puff that. We da puff, we da puff, cheese a puff that. This is the time, man a puff cheese and that. Push a blade, I can get advanced. We're gonna close like from a distance. Pretty now I do it, I roll another one. Solomon look me was a damn great man. Plant the seed, she's a drop on the land. Love you, yo. Yo, we are station. And you alone just meditation. We love us, big celebration. Sexy, bad, sweet sensation. Raspberry! Yeah, the Satan. Yeah. No, I feel like I'm leading platform. Support the movement, the people, support the chef. Cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck. Listen to the sound, I'm gonna get fucked up. Cheese a fuck, fearless artist. Cheese a fuck, cheese a raspberry. Cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck. Listen to the sound, I'm gonna get fucked up. Me I don't got no need. Push me and be a dumb, don't have no good. My body never tries to I love the fun. When we keep back then I want to enjoy the sun. I fuck up hard and money now run. Don't be work out down to the ear can't go. We ain't no pain, we ain't no 15 minutes on the labor, leave some wood. Keep a life and a play with it now. Make sure you can afraid, make it not. And the same thing, the same thing, with break up your rear band, the face, break the face, young. We da fuck, we da fuck, we da fuck that. We da fuck, we da fuck, we da fuck that. We da fuck, we da fuck, we da fuck that. Listen to the sound, we never come with them, fuck that. We da fuck, we da fuck, we da fuck that. Cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck that. Cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck that. Listen to the sound, we never come with them, fuck that. Okay, Jamaica. Personation. This is your station. Cheese a fuck, we da fuck, we da fuck. Cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck. Cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck. Listen to the sound, we never come with them, fuck that. Fuck and a fuck. I'm not gonna fuck. Sunjet production. We da fuck, we da fuck, we da fuck that. Cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck, we da fuck that. Cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck that. Listen to the sound, and come with the fuck that. We da fuck, we da fuck, we da fuck that. Cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck, cheese a fuck that. That's so vital.
Believe like a pop star. Money pretty
Girl, I'm not hard. But my mouth on the platter.
hope to stop.
I will be going that far. Yeah, we're living like a pop star.
So stay on the gun.
And it's not far.
Yes, me now.
Papa TV is not far. Clean and feel like me a transfer.
Let's say my chance are. I'm just sweet and sugar mix it water. Give thanks to my son, them and my daughter that's a brother. Nobody never mark when all the way to what mother no go fuck that one time. We did tell them what we fall. I don't stand and roll and trust. I'm not sure that from a color. I'm feel like me a touch of one. I'm a little gaga. This one and I'm a look like me a shabba. I'm a fight that me a smoke a big woman. I call my dada. Live like a pop star. Money pretty girl at yard. But my one find the platter. Hope it's up hard, we're going that far. Yeah, we're living like a pop star. Success to the corner and it's not far. Yes, we are
Papa TV is not far. Clean every day like me a transfer. Why them a transfer?
boy, me and
Papa did the breed so we change my ways.
accept the leave poor like 7 in a
Every days.
Raise the standard, every game we raise. Take up with that hardest first thing we don't break my base. We never
Non-check production. Raspberry.
Party, rape. Y'all was fucking on my ears, they should know my ways. Drop the video on my top, should know my ways. Pop star.
Money pretty girls are not yard. But my one we find the platter.
Hope it's up
While we ain't going that far. Yeah, we living like a pop star. Success on the corner and it's not far. Yes, me and Papa TV is not far. Clean every day like me a transfer. It's them a transfer. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Believe
Like a pop star,
money pretty girl.
not car,
But my mom was
on the platter.
hope to stop and
We going not far, yeah. We living like a pop star,
so sit on the corner.
and it's not far.
Yes, me and
Papa TV is not far. Clean every day like me like track star.
Lift them a track star. I'm not sweet and you can make it water. Give thanks to my father, mama, dad, and the brother.
You got vital on the raspberry rhythm. Dan Chef Production.
Like a box star, money pretty girl I car, but my mama find the
Alright, vital. Let's shoot Tasha fire. Let's shoot Tasha fire. Over and over again. Time after time after time after time after time. Over and over and over and over again. Tasha fire. Straight out and she the air.
I want to try to come to love me, like a ball. I got to make up, but she come up with kind. Let's start coming and make it sound like this. But I think I make a drink for your child now. I don't think we can want to try to see us like to be mine. I'm a rock and we are gonna no flow, can't go now. One of the is a sinner. Over and over and over and over again. I wanna love you, time after time after time after time after time. I wanna keep you over and over and over and over again. Oh baby, yeah, come on. It's not a couple of things like this. Why don't we have a proof? But I can make up that. Bedroom will go in the fancy that is alright. It's be a action. I'm just something that's an animal. I can't. I'm in your arm and I'm begging to stop it. Single revolt the fear and I tear up the ear and I'm here until I got it over and over and over and over again.
I wanna love you time after time after time after time after time.
I wanna keep you
Over and over and over and over again.
oh baby, yeah.
Come on. Alright, Tasha.
I don't want it.
Change the brand of Tasha.
No, I don't want it.
Tasha fire again.
I don't want it. No, I don't want it.
Think God, don't be surprised.
Don't you be surprised if your best friend. No, I can see you make it in a life.
So you'll be
Your
surprised.
best friend.
Don't know if it's
Your
good.
whole business life.
So you'll be surprised.
Your best friend.
Listen to the tune.
Make it in a life.
Listen to the tune.
Be surprised. Don't you
Tasha
be
fire.
surprised. No matter 10%, they don't be just a shadow after that. Be careful where you walk, and she mind know your talk. I know for them will not connect the truth out your heart.
Don't be
None
surprised.
of them get nasty about you. None of them can
Come around me.
you don't know set.
Come on, me, grow me.
Certain principles she
Teach
teach
me.
so none of them can trick me.
Don't you be surprised if your best friend don't want to see you make it in a life. Don't you be surprised if your best friend.
You know to be a wolf in this life.
Don't you be surprised if your best friend don't want to see you make it in a life. Don't you be surprised. Don't you be surprised.
It's like nowadays you don't know who to trust. The more you do that, the more them fuck you up. Shout out to all my enemies and shout to my friends. I know you bad the motherfuckers on the false pretend. I keep up. I don't think you don't hurt inside. Never think it to my life. You wanna try to ride. Some situation feel weird. You work so hard until I get no fear. I'm supposed to disappear. Don't you be surprised if your best friend. No one can see you make it in a life. They said, don't you be surprised if your best friend. You know to be a wolf in this life. Don't you be surprised if your best friend. No one can see you make it in a life. They said,
Don't you be surprised. Don't you be surprised.
oh no, the ears are them. Oh no, the backbite.
Tasha fire.
Oh no, the trouble me.
Yo, the raspberry rhythm.
They pretend to be your friend, yo.
Dan Chef Records production.
Oh
No
no,
one
the
feel and all leading platform.
oh no, the trouble me. When I've been at your place,
Yeah, Dan Chef production.
to be surprised.
Dan Chef Records production now available on all leading platform. The Raspberry Rhythm, the one I name. Yeah, various artists is on this one. So people, go out and support the chef. Go out and support the chef. Them all available on all leading platform. Tasha fire. All right, Tasha. Let you Danville. Let you down feel.
I will say it over.
Take it from the top. Yeah. Yeah. Danville. Think called anything. Anything, girl. Anything you say, anything you want. Let's call on it.
Anything you need, girl.
Anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl. Let's call on me.
I will say it over.
Anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl. Anything you need.
Call on me, I will tell you all about it. No one tell me need you. Open up my house 24/7 when I'm wrong you. Get a head so come back here when I'm not, I get up. Because me love you better to think you're not about to love me up in the mouth. Sweetness don't change my mind. The sweet joke again, let me laugh and give it your
Happy head that spin like a turtle. He said anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl. Just call on me.
I will tell you all.
He said anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl. Just call on me.
I will tell you all.
Raspberry production.
Love you in the neck of an image and the carpet. Love you in the future, straight from the basket. Love your accent, girl, this look in your carpet. Sweet joke, you give me the big gloves of carpet. Tell it to the girl, they look you up the basket. Listen to the girls, me a carpet. Say, anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl.
Anything you need, girl. Just call on me. I will tell you about anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl.
Anything you need, just call on me. I will tell you that I'm need you. No one tell me need you. Open up my house 24/7 when I'm wrong.
Raspberry rhythm.
So come back here.
Dan Shepherd production. Available on all media platforms. People go and get your copy.
The sweet joke you give me, let me laugh and give you. I'm in that stay like a turkey. Anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl. Just call on me. I will tell you all about it. Anything you need, girl. Anything
you need, girl.
Anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl. Anything you need, girl. Anything.
Alright, fit as boss. Ragarugi, viral prince.
I know what is around you, that we have some new like all my friend.
Ragarugi, big up yourself.
And the good thing that I'm gonna put me down.
And about this, you have some US
I know what is around you, and the good thing that I'm gonna put me down. I keep folks and we are so cold. Eat good food and keep your body round. Shoes for your body, making no flavor control. Shoes for me to make me good and it wrong. I show me the road, down there stone. Maybe I don't back in the afternoon. You was on Monday, choke me down, put me on the head, tell me to lay down. When they grab me up, that's the way one on. Walk by me mirror, walk over the ground. But me give that chance, if never shoot me down. Don't about myself and me down back at home. So sing along, and nobody's around you down. That we have some new like all big friend. I know what is around you down. And I think one thing that I'm gonna put me down. Sing along.
and about this,
That we have some new like all big friend.
and about this.
And I think one thing that I'm gonna put me down.
Young and guns.
So you find you want people
Make it have fun.
One want to give me half and don't. He said, that narrow can be done. Man, you can not get cheap gum. Say sweetie and just say for the go boy. Just say what?
Alright, Ragarugi, let you learn Asha there. Let you. Alright. Take it from the top. Yeah, Lana Asha, straight out of London. Think hard, my God is real. Yeah.
My God is real. From the
feeling God is real.
Just let it take control. My God is real, my God is real, my God is all the glory. Strengthen your heart, you got to make the right decision. To come to God is the only conclusion. Many fall and they just can't justify. I pray to God, always be by my side. When your hands are tied, you got to face these things with vision. You're crying out loud, if only they would listen. Deep in your heart, you know you'll be satisfied.
And a raspberry rhythm, you know, raspberry rhythm.
Because my God is
That's your production.
my God is free. From his head to his toe, my God is free. I can feel it in my God is real. Just let it take control. My God is real. Forget all the flow. When they turn their back on the head for the throne, all that's about nothing when he sits up on the throne. Now they wanna walk around with tears in their eyes. My God is real. I'm gonna.
All right.
I know this
All right, Decatan and Jared. Decatan and Jared.
You know, stop at
Think I'm steering on the face.
I know she want me. Staying on your face, staying on your face. But I know that she likes me, I know she likes me, she wants me to this. She shot my she want it, she want it.
Yeah, people, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, bless up on yourself all the time. Again and again.
Let us make us in the moment, make a little flex at the bar.
Microphone and each other.
Sometimes I forget,
Second of the word,
sometimes but when them are sleeping in the bed. But she has been no matter where she's in the water, no matter where she's nowhere, no matter but I need that she like.
You wanna be right, fight.
I'm the ex guy want me fight.
Still not giving her justice to me.
But I know that she likes it.
Alright, take your time, alright, take your time. Take your time.
This woman I cannot get her out of my mind. Talk too many girls, but
Alright, this is the next track. You like Arnie Pastor, straight out of London. Big up yourself, Pastor. Yeah.
Bring on this part, you're ready to be a preach and
Yeah. Thing called Arnie. Religion from the Arnie Pastor.
now I can hear more you can stop. And this is a blind chef.
Respect the rhythm.
And I gotta make
Action, music production.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Bring on this part, you're ready to be a preach and you want the world here to come if you reach. Girl, let's stick to the pastor like this. Girl, the black girl with these head. All the religion may you preach and you want the world here to come if you reach. Girl, let's stick to the pastor like this. Girl, the white girl, the please. Find me on Instagram or Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, just take a look. I wanna baptize you, baby, take a trip. Get if you wanna marry me, you have me, can go. Me and you go on some vacation, taking offering money to work. Money to work on nation in God. Money to work on nation in God. Money for fun, get drunk, watch over your party. Masturbation. You're on your religion, me and reason. You want the world here to come make you reason. Stick to the pastor like Jesus. Girl, the black, white girl, And the body religion here. What the world is to make it. And say you walk like legion. Curse the black, curse the white, curse the green. We have been a crusade and a convention. Churches and churches 2 weeks extension. The moment and your backline you can't even mention. Take leave the special order of your attention. Don't forget to show me a little office. Why have the second set while you walk off it? Not Christian falls under the office. Private. Not the best in the car. No, the religion is free. The water world is becoming the reach. Girl, listen to us like legion. Girl, the black girl, the white girl, the bleaching. All the religion is preaching. The water world is becoming the reach. There's a stick in the water like legion. Girl, the black girl, the white girl, the bleaching. No, that's not the word in prayer. Churches, I want to pray for the kind food that you have here.
All right, Mr. Pastor. All right, Mr. Pastor. Yeah, that was a feature of the Raspberry Rhythm. Yeah, various artists, Dan Chef Record Production. It's a man say no available on all leading platform people. So go out and support. Even if you don't buy the album, you must one song on the album you must like. It's only 99p. It's only 99p. The album is $9.99. You see me I say? Support the chef. Support the movement, the people. Big up on yourself. Much love and appreciation for the time and the effort. Take a look what going on at the Gaza kitchen. You know, we eat around here. Music and food is what we keep cooking. You see me I say? Big up the Gaza nation every time. Up and forward. Big up the whole of England. Big up the whole of Ireland, Scotland. The whole of Wales. You see me I say? Big up the whole of America. You see me I say? Big up the whole of Jamaica. Big up the whole of the Caribbean. The entire world. Up and gunning. Big up on yourself, people. Much love. Much love. Anyway, and we say we don't see that feature some tune. So what? Never finish with one tune. The last song. You see me I say, we got over an hour already, you know. Almost 2 hours, me up on the thing. I never want to stretch out the thing so long, but you don't know. And music and food. I don't know some music. Big up on yourself, my people, again and again for the time. You see me I say? So guess what? Now let us lock it off with this thing here. I don't know, so me and the chef, you know. And it's quite appropriate for the chef have a song when me talk about food. You see what I say? I'm not trying to call the food man. I don't know, so me and the real Jamaican chef straight out of Kingston. You see what I say? Straight out of Kingston. J.A. You see what I say? No camouflage thing, no fraud thing, original certified chef. Yeah, up and gunning. All right, you know what? If you don't hear it already. All right, like this. Take it again from the top. Take it again from the top. Take on the food man. Sizzling in my kitchen. Sizzling in my kitchen. You know what the name of these sounds? And the food is ready. So you got to place the order before the food done. When they want to do the food man, in the chef, the cook plan, Tito and Granny and Chan. When they love them long. Let them know me no book man from long. Let them know I say them for long. Copy it up and a silent passion. Let them know me a living woman. Woman, be a big woman.
Four man, big rat, 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 the four man, big rat, the four man, come here, the rat, the man, the same man.
Inside food every day, man. Cocky and selfish, something like them. Liver and canada in the morning. Beside that doctor to the fry dumpling. They go on with the moon till I evening. Rice and peas and good chicken. That a Sunday, Monday, cooking. Tuesday, I'm going to tapping rice. Wednesday, you know what we're chicken. We do that thing, this thing and hicking. Everybody back up, they say, got the chicken, the beer and the chicken. Food man, me at the food man. Food man, me at the food plan. Food man, me at the food man. And the girl, them a take step on. When you keep my fridge fried chicken, me take KFC, nothing happening. Me take them check you what the coaching. Straight from to be straight to a pocket. That's how they got to the car, they say Anja Kevin. All next Tuesday, then do the same thing. Anja, she don't make her chicken. She don't make her come up early in the morning. Like when we go to the stairs, in the kitchen. Sonia, I'm big belly. In the kitchen, I'm in the curry put and rice. Me have to hold the egg about Jesus Christ. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. And the girl, they got the man except on. Food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food plan. Food man, they got the food man. And the girl, they got the food man, they got the food man. Food man, they got the food man. And the girl, they got the man except on. Every feeding pan, Aki and Savage talking like them. Liver and Talago in the morning. Cyanide, you buy dumpling. They no one of the world. In the evening, rice and peas and tofu chicken. That a Sunday, Monday cooking. Tuesday, fucking and then rice. Wednesday, you know what you're chicken. We do that thing, this week, the king. Everybody back home, they say they make it. And the chicken, the beer, and the king. Food man, me at the food man. Food man, me got the food plan. Food man, me got the food man. And the girl, me got them a big step on. Food man, me got the food man. Food man, me got the food plan. Food man, me at the food man. And me all the girl, them a take step on. They don't want an electrician, and they don't want a technician. They don't want a physician, and they don't want a politician. They don't want a soldier man, and they don't want a gunman. When they want at the real food man, me got the chef with the food plan, they feed up them girl, them strong, strong, strong. When me allow them long. Big up on yourself, my people, much love and appreciation for the time and the effort. You see me, I said, take a look at going on the Gaza kitchen, you don't know dance chef do it around here. Music and food is what we keep cooking. You see me, I say, and each and every Sunday, dance chef take the time out to perform this music and share with the people. You see me, I say, up and forward. And all of these tunes, you can get them available. They are available on every leading platform. So go out, I dare you, and support the chef. Go out and purchase even a single for the album. You see me, I say, I want to tune out the Dan Chef. You see me, I say, Dan Chef Records production with the Raspberry thing when me that play first. You see me, I say, what artists they on it. Yeah, man, bless up on yourself, big up on yourself, people. Much love and appreciation for the time. I hold pound the panel, so guess what? I'm not going to call on an individual name. I want to know on yourself. You see me, I say, I want to know on yourself. And guess what? As I said before, I'm going to run the final two and then I cut. I eat this, you know. So I want to say a blessed Sunday afternoon, morning, evening. Wherever I want to locate it at a psychological moment in time. I want to say a blessed Sunday. You see me, I say, Godspeed. Bless up. Yo, I'm a car back in a minute. I'm a car back.
Your thoughts on 2021. What do you think, right?